Hey, what is up, guys? And welcome to another video. So in this video, I am going to be replacing my Footwell lights on my 7-gen Nissan Maxima. I had white, well, I still got the whites, but now that my vision's somewhat changing, I think it's time, instead of having all the interior lights be white, I want to throw in some color. So I want to change the Footwell lights to red. So my partners over at Lasfit sent me red ones. So as in partnership and them sponsoring all the LEDs that goes into the 7-gen Nissan Maxima, you get 10% off your order by going to www.lasfit.com and use promo code SPMM10. So they're a good reputable brand. I've had them ever since I brought this car. It's going to 2.5 years now. So plus this car came a long way. I brought it wrecked, rebuilt it, and then after I rebuilt it, I've been changing everything to what my vision of what this car should look like from factory and my version of a Nismo edition Nissan Maxima. So with no further ado, it's no tools needed for this job. So plus I'm happy I got the car back. If you've seen yesterday's video, the car finally came home yesterday evening because it was either defective or it got damaged during shipping, the AC condenser. So it's been replaced, brand new. I replaced all the O-rings and everything else, and I really can't get enough of the wheels, the rotors, and calipers. I'm thinking about changing the calipers, but I just got these put on, so I'm gonna wait till next year and then I'll upgrade to the 370 Nismo full brake, like the caliper, the rotors, and the dust shield and everything. I'm not gonna be doing what I see a lot of people doing, trimming the lip and stuff like that. I'm gonna sit there and buy the dust shield that's actually supposed to go on it along with the rotors and everything else. So I'm gonna do it right. Like, I want everything to be done right on this vehicle, especially with the amount of money that's been going into this. And also thanks to y'all watching my videos, showing love, support, and all the sponsors and partners I have with this car, and all the partners and sponsors I have for that car. And of course the other Maxima too. And there is going to be another vehicle coming to the channel. I think I mentioned it before in the video, or actually, yeah, I did on the Yaris. All right, I forgot about that. So you're gonna come down here. I'm gonna set y'all down on the tripod. All right, so you're gonna open it, and these are they red, but it doesn't tell. You can't tell that it has color to it. So part number for these specifically is LT10R. So non-polarity, so pretty much it doesn't matter which direction you plug it, it's going to illuminate. So the one that's on here, you have to plug it in a certain way. So positive does have to go to positive, negative has to be negative. With the no polarity, it doesn't matter which way you put it, it's going to cut on. Canvas ready, new LED technology, much brighter than halogen. And customer support, you also get 1 year warranty. So now we on the driver's side, just reach right here. You see where my fingers are? You want to turn it and then pull out. And this one was going out anyway, as you can see. Some of the bulbs had died. So, well, LEDs had died. So it was time to get new ones anyway. So take this out, nicely packaged. And once again, like I said, it doesn't matter which way you plug it in, it's going to illuminate. So see, lighting up, flip it around, still lighting up. So now I'm gonna push it in all the way, and then you just put it back into it. That's really bright, and it's daytime. I know at night it's gonna look even better. Hey, look how bright it is outside. Clear, sunny, and it's just reflecting. Like you can see the light even in the day, like hints of it. Right there, along here, on here. So that's pretty bright. Sorry I can't really show y'all how this one was, because some of the LEDs is blown. But when I first put these in, it was bright. These are hella old anyway, so I knew if LEDs don't last forever. They only last for a couple thousand hours and a certain amount of years. I think I had those for, because these are from my very first Toyota Yaris. That's my second one. So that's how old these are. So passenger side done. Let's walk around, and we are going to do the driver's side. So same thing. Yeah. If you see the flickering, that's because parts of the LEDs dying. So yeah, like I said, these were due anyway for an upgrade and replacement. Take it out, put the new one. So it's like a full 360 degrees of LEDs and bright. So you see how good, well, it's even brighter, you can tell. And like I said, bright sunny day, and you're still able to see the color. So we're gonna switch over to night, and we're gonna see how good these are at nighttime. Oh yeah, they definitely look color good, and they bright. So I like how red it is. Like, it's truly red. Like, it's not, I don't know, there's some LEDs they say that they red, and then it throws off like a hint of pink or orange. But these are like true to color, if that makes sense. Like, it's red, and it's bright. So I think this was a good choice for me instead of having a all interior, all white. So I like having the Footwell lights red now. So if y'all want to copy y'all some, remember, head on over to www.lasfit.com, use promo code SPMM10, and receive 10% off your order. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.